Replacement Windows Dallas, Texas is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a variety of window options available, including energy-efficient windows, vinyl windows, and custom windows, Dallas Window Installation Services cater to diverse needs and preferences. Whether you're considering window replacement or new installations, Dallas Window Contractors offer expert guidance and professional service. Energy-efficient windows in Dallas are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Dallas window experts can provide a window consultation to help you select the best energy-efficient windows for your home, ensuring optimal performance and savings. Vinyl windows are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners in Dallas. Known for their low maintenance and excellent insulation properties, vinyl window replacement in Dallas is a smart investment for those seeking long-lasting window solutions. Dallas Window Contractors offer a wide range of vinyl window styles and designs to match any home aesthetic. Double-hung windows are a versatile and classic choice for residential windows in Dallas. These windows offer easy operation and excellent ventilation, making them ideal for the Texas climate. Double-hung windows Dallas services provide expert installation and a variety of design options to suit your home's style. Replacement windows. Dallas allow homeowners to create unique window designs tailored to their specific needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for a specific shape, size, or style, custom windows, Dallas services can bring your vision to life. With expert window measurement and fitting, you can achieve the perfect look and functionality for your home. Window repair in Dallas is essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows. From minor fixes to major repairs, Dallas Window Repair Services ensure your windows remain in top condition. Whether it's a broken pane or a malfunctioning frame, professional window repair Dallas experts can address any issue promptly and efficiently. Replacement windows. Dallas contractors offer comprehensive home window services, including window glass replacement and window frame replacement. These services are crucial for maintaining the safety and efficiency of your windows. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, Dallas Window Contractors provide reliable and professional service for all your window needs. Window upgrade. Dallas services are perfect for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and curb appeal. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows can significantly improve your home's appearance and performance. Dallas Window Upgrade experts can guide you through the process, ensuring a seamless transition to new, high-quality windows. Window maintenance. Dallas services are essential for prolonging the lifespan of your windows and ensuring they function optimally. Regular maintenance can prevent costly repairs and replacements, keeping your windows in excellent condition. Dallas Window Maintenance professionals offer comprehensive services to keep your windows looking and performing their best. Window solutions. Dallas offers a wide range of options for homeowners seeking to improve their windows' functionality and appearance. From innovative window styles to advanced window materials, Dallas Window Solutions provide the perfect combination of form and function.